Hi, this is Kylie Coo. Welcome to my studio. So today is the final part for my little envelope journal, my little journal of positivity. I've tried to imbue this with positivity through this very difficult time that we're all facing. So today I am working on the covers, front and back, and I'm doing it as one piece. Now, sorry this has come to you a little bit later than intended. It was filmed already, but it's taken me a few days to get round to actually editing it because unfortunately I hurt my back and I just couldn't sit at the computer to sit and edit. So this is it done now. I'll do a quick flip through of it at the end, and I will be putting more things in this over the coming weeks. So if there's anything that I think that you might like to see, then I will certainly do a brief video on that. But I want to thank you all for your very positive comments about this. That's kind of kept me going, and I'm glad that so many of you have felt that you wanted to join in. How you do the journal is entirely up to you, whether you just want to reflect your thoughts or whatever, entirely up to you. So my inspiration for today actually comes from a tree in my garden. It's an old cherry tree and it's about to come into blossom. It's not in blossom yet, the blossom's there and it's about to burst open. And when I sat to do this page, I just took my inspiration from that because spring is reflected a lot in this journal of mine, as is the kind of growth and life that surrounds me here, and all of that for me talks of positivity. So I will leave you to watch the process. I'll put some nice music to it again, and I hope you enjoy. And if you're in the Mixed Media Emporium and you've been doing the journal, then I look forward to seeing your creations. I'm a bit behind with comments just now, but again that's just because I've been kind of laid up because of having a kind of painful back. But Nina and I will be back with the April challenge on Sunday, so yeah, look forward to that. So if you've any questions about any of the techniques or any of the products that I've used, please leave them in the comments below. So as always, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, and as far as possible try and stay positive. But I do appreciate that there are many people in the world for whom this is a very, very difficult time. So thoughts and prayers with everyone. So bye for now.